Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can create your first composition in Adobe After Effects. So first thing first, what you need to understand is that there are two ways to create a composition, okay? You can either come over here to new composition, click, and then you can choose from right here the preset that you want, so the aspect ratio, the frame rate and everything. The only thing to keep in mind here is that you have to enter the same informations that you have on the clip, okay? So for example, here we have this clip, we have the resolution right here, we have the frame rates right here, and we have the duration of the clip right here. Now, this is the first way, but the simplest way is, if you're going to be working with footage, is to create your composition directly from the footage, okay? So what you can do is click on a video and drag it right here to the composition, and it will create a composition with the same settings as the video. Okay, this is the simplest way. Okay, now let's go ahead now and put our logo. So you can see right here that we have an Illustrator file. We can go ahead too and put it on the composition. Now you may be thinking, what is a comp? So a comp contains all the videos, the layers, the images and everything that will create the specific video, okay? Now let's go ahead and place the logo on top of the video like this. And then I'm just gonna go ahead, S for scale, and then increase the size of the logo like this. Okay, now let's go ahead and move the playhead and the timeline, okay, because we don't want the logo to appear right away. Now let's say, for example, we want it to appear right here around 2 seconds. Now, two ways you can do that. You can either cut the video like this, okay, so you hold Alt or Option plus left brackets, or you can just Control Command Z to undo, click T for transparency, and then you can adjust the opacity to make it appear whenever you want it to appear. Okay, guys, now let's just go ahead for now and cut it right here under 2 seconds. Okay, let's move again and play. So when you move like this and play, this is called scrubbing. Okay, so we scrub in like this. And I don't want the video to be 14 seconds long. I just want it, for example, to be 8 seconds. What we can do now is adjust our composition to make the video shorter, okay? And the easiest way to do that is, if we come over here to our composition, we right click, we have then composition settings, and then we can come over here to duration. And then right here, I'm going to type 800. Okay, if I click out, you can see now we changed to 8 seconds. Click OK. And now our composition, it's 8 seconds long. Now you can see right here that the logo is a bit blended with the background. So we need to separate them using like some sort of an overlay or solid color. So the way we can do that is, if we come over here to Layer, New, we can click on Solid. And then I'm going to sample a color from here, for example, this color, okay. And then put the color on top of the video and underneath the logo. Now what I can do, for example, is to click on T for the opacity and then dial it down like this. And this does look, you know, a little bit better. Or maybe we can add an effect to the logo, for example. Let's see how it's gonna look, just to try. For example, if I go to Fill, change the color to white. Well, you see it does look better, but we're losing some of the details of the logo. So we can leave it like this, it's readable, and maybe we can increase the logo a little bit. Okay, and here we have it.